Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about travel insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about travel insurance, including what is travel insurance, how does travel insurance work, what does travel insurance cover, what to look for when choosing a travel insurance plan, what is the procedure for obtaining travel insurance and procedure for filing a claim, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What is travel insurance? When purchasing airline tickets or vacation packages, many companies offer their customers the option to purchase travel insurance, also known as traveler's insurance. Some travel insurance policies provide coverage for damage to personal property, rented equipment, such as rental cars, and even the cost of paying a ransom if you are held hostage. Travel insurance is frequently sold as a package, and it may include a variety of different types of coverage. Travel insurance is divided into several categories, the most important of which are trip cancellation or interruption coverage, baggage and personal effects coverage, medical expense coverage, and accidental death or plane accident coverage. Emergency services such as replacing lost passports, cash wire assistance, and rebooking canceled flights are frequently covered by insurance policies that are available around the clock. Aside from that, some travel insurance policies may duplicate existing coverage from other providers or provide protection for expenses that are refundable through other means. How does travel insurance work? A common misconception about trip insurance is that it reimburses you if you are prevented from traveling due to illness, injury, or a death in the family. This is not the case at all. However, travel insurance actually covers a wide range of other issues that could prevent you from embarking on your trip or force you to return home early. For example, if you become ill or injured 6 days into a 14-day trip and are unable to continue, your trip insurance may be able to reimburse you for the costs of the remaining days of your trip under certain conditions. The following are examples of situations in which insurance will protect you and reimburse your non-refundable expenses if you have travel insurance: severe weather that causes flight cancellations or destination damage, losing your job or being required to work during the time your trip was scheduled, being summoned to jury duty and being unable to get out of it, and your travel provider going bankrupt. Please keep in mind that coverage varies depending on the provider and the plan you choose. Trip insurance typically includes additional benefits as well, such as a death benefit, coverage for emergency medical treatment while on vacation, and reimbursement for misplaced or stolen luggage. What does travel insurance cover? 1. Travel insurance typically covers trip cancellation or delay due to a family member's illness, injury, or death, as long as the financial loss is avoided. 2. Travel insurance provides protection against financial risks as well as reimbursement for medical expenses incurred while traveling. 3. Travel insurance provides protection against the loss or theft of your belongings, including your passport. Some insurance companies will also assist you in making arrangements for a temporary passport. 4. Emergency evacuation costs incurred as a result of a natural disaster or terrorist activities. 5. In the event of negligence resulting in a loss or damage to property or injury to a person who is not a member of your family or traveling party, your personal liability insurance will cover the costs of the loss or damage. What to look for when choosing a travel insurance plan? Many travel insurance providers offer a variety of travel insurance plans with varying levels of benefits and benefit limits. So, how do you determine which is the best option for you? To begin, request a quote for your upcoming travel arrangements. Following the entry of your age, trip costs, and trip dates, we can provide you with a few suggestions for your trip. After that, you can weigh the costs and benefits of each option. If you're a budget-conscious traveler who's planning a trip to the United States, the One Trip Cancellation Plus plan might be for you. Benefits for trip cancellation, trip interruption, and trip delay are included in this package. Consider the One Trip Emergency Medical Plan if you want to be covered in the event of a medical emergency while traveling abroad, but you only have a few prepaid trip expenses to your credit. However, trip cancellation or interruption are not covered under this low-cost plan, which also includes emergency medical and emergency transportation benefits, as well as other post-departure benefits. If you want the peace of mind that comes with having a substantial amount of travel insurance benefits, the One Trip Prime plan may be the best option for you. When traveling with a parent or grandparent, this plan also includes free coverage for children under the age of 17. If you have several trips planned in the next 12 months, annual travel insurance, such as the All Trips Prime plan, may be a good option for you. In addition to trip cancellation and interruption benefits, it also includes benefits for emergency medical care, lost or stolen or delayed baggage, as well as theft and damage coverage for rental cars. What is the procedure for obtaining travel insurance? Despite the fact that many travel booking websites sell travel insurance, they typically only offer one or a few options for customers to choose from. You wouldn't feel comfortable purchasing a flight if a travel website only provided you with one option, so why should purchasing travel insurance be any more difficult? Compare multiple insurance quotes to make certain that you are getting adequate coverage and that you are spending a reasonable amount of money. Finally, you can purchase coverage online through our safe and secure checkout process, and you will receive an instant confirmation of coverage via email. A travel insurance policy will typically cost between 5 and 8% of the total cost of your trip. What is the procedure for filing a claim? You must notify your travel insurance company as soon as possible if something happens during or before your trip so that it can provide you with advice on what to do. In addition, you must maintain meticulous records. If you are unable to travel due to an illness in the family, you will need a doctor's note as well as copies of any bills that have been sent to you. A letter from your employer would be required if you had to cancel your trip because of work obligations. Whenever you file a claim, you will be required to submit all supporting documentation to your insurance company. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about travel insurance, including what is travel insurance, how does travel insurance work, what does travel insurance cover, what to look for when choosing a travel insurance plan, what is the procedure for obtaining travel insurance and procedure for filing a claim, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.